Hey guys, we're trying to sneak into this party.
Yeah, we're sneaking into this party. We're sneaking into this party. Okay, By the way, this is Mario Plush Freak. I'm uploading this to YouTube, and all of these. Hey! Oh, you can't even see.
I'm breaking.
You can't even see them. Okay, you can't.
What's up, man? Yeah, my name's Ashton Lee Little, and
we're sneaking into this party. Okay.
And I'm Billy Bob Joe.
Billy Bob Joe. Just stop talking. Stop talking.
I'm Frank the Retard.
Okay, this is Mario Plush Freak. I'm gonna upload this to YouTube. I'm with my cousin and my new 2 friends. Yeah. We're going to that party over there.
Yeah, we're going to that one. See it?
All right, you can see my hand. Probably not. You can see my hand right there. Okay.
Hi, I'm Billy Bob.
Okay, I'm bringing this back to the cameraman.
I'm the leader behind
You can't. No, I'm the leader. I'm the one uploading it to YouTube. Okay, I'm bringing it back to the cameraman. Cameraman.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, we're going to the party.
We have to be quiet. Remember?
Okay, we're going to the party. Mario Plush Freak, uploading this to YouTube right after this video.
Yeah, so we have to go in. Act casual, cameraman.
If you can see us right now. Cameraman, do you see me?
Yes.
Okay. This is Mario Plush Freak. Here's my cousin. Get out of the picture, other person. You see my cousin? Cameraman, you see my cousin? Okay.
Yes.
Okay, and this is my new friend.
I'm Billy Bob Joe. That's my friend.
And this is my other new friend. Get over here.
He's the cameraman.
Yeah, cameraman right here. Go. Cameraman right here. Sorta, you can see him. Sorta.
Yeah, so now guys are sneaking into the party. Let's get into the trees because someone's looking at us. Let's get into the trees because someone's looking at us.
And we don't want to get too suspicious.
Yeah. Get in.
All right.
What if we need to go?
We're not gonna go loose.
Don't worry, we're not going to camp overnight.
I need to go.
Jeez. Get this cameraman. This spider web.
Get the spider web. Get out of here.
What's up? My name's
You can't even see it now.
Bill. I'm the Bill O'Reilly Factor. We're going, guys. We're
gonna run away. And someone talks to us, we're gonna bail out.
You guys can hear them. We're entering the party.
Okay. Now that there's more light, this is my this is my new friend. Other friend.
What's up?
And cousin.
I'm Billy Bob Joe.
And cousin. You're not in front of the camera.
Yeah.
Back to the camera. And this is Mario Plush Freak, the uploader of the video.
And this video is called Breaking All the Parties.
No, MPF short, Breaking in the Party.
Yep. No, breaking down. No.
No, I have to tell it it's a short because I'm following Super Mario Logan, so I have to put the short.
Guys, someone's looking at us. We're behind the world. There might be no people, but we have some stuff. Let's go.
Cameraman.
There's no part 1.
I know. This is some suspense.
Shh. Oh, come here. There are the people. They're videotaping. That's my friend Jimmy.
This is Bill out.
Bill out. Go.